Hello, guys, and welcome once again to another episode of Escaping Poverty. It's a series that we've specifically started to make sure that we help as many people as possible analyze the market properly in a professional way, obviously coming from a professional trader who has been in the game for quite a long time now. So if you check ever since the beginning of the series, we've just been doing crash and boom pairs and also synthetic indices pairs, basically. As the episodes will be going on, we'll start to change and also move to currencies, indices, and also stocks and even crypto. We are going to go deeper as well into crypto. So make sure that if ever you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and make sure that you like each and every single video because you don't want to miss such beautiful opportunities like this, such beautiful analysis, such beautiful information when it's being shared like this. You don't want to miss such. So make sure that you like the video, make sure you share the video, make sure you are subscribed to our channel because it's going to help you a lot, especially in your trading journey. As the information that we are sharing here, this is the information that is part of our mentorship program information. It's just a little bit of it, but it's all there. It's all there just to make sure that we help as many people as possible analyze the markets, take opportunities, the same opportunities that we present to you here, the same opportunities that I take. So basically, in this particular section, I'm going to break down Crash 300. I know most crash and boom traders, you actually trade Crash 300 and you actually like it. I know that. So I'm actually showing you the analysis that I'm expecting and the move that I'm currently expecting for Crash 300. So basically, this is the first zone that I'm looking at and the second zone that I'm looking at for the targets of the buys that I'm actually seeing that are about to happen. First target there, second target there, the top. If you check our previous videos, I've been analyzing Crash 300 as well, and I actually showed you guys that Crash 300 is actually presenting a very beautiful what do you call this? Very beautiful buying opportunity. But most of you, if ever you have been following, you know that we actually took some buys in quite some different entry levels. If ever you didn't watch that video, you can go back to our to our videos whereby we're talking about the codes for the crash and booms. You can actually go to the first video of that series where we talked about crash and boom codes. You can go back and see it for yourself. So major lower high, which is our swing lower high, swing lower low there. This one also is now our swing lower low. So according to our strategy, once we have established a lower low like that, market must give us a pullback. Pullback, what's the purpose of a pullback? To establish a lower high, because so long order flow is still bearish, it will continue in that bearish nature up until the swing lower high is broken. So in this case, the swing lower high is not yet broken. So if it's not yet broken, my first target is this, obviously around this level, but I'm actually expecting it to push all the way to 78.6. Why 78.6? 78.6 is actually a premium zone. A premium zone, that's where the institutions prefer to sell. That's where they prefer to sell. So here they'll push price, which is a pullback. Then they will take more sales from that region there. Why that region? That's also a region of supply and also a very strong region where they actually initiated most of their orders from initially. That's why I see this impulse move. So this impulse move started here. So they'll basically pulling back price all the way into that zone. You have to give them enough opportunity to push and come out and take out this swing, this swing lower low and establish a new lower low. So that is what I'm looking forward to. It's a swing buy, beautiful swing buying opportunity, a swing buying opportunity that I'm currently looking at right now. So after 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 we have done our analysis of the daily like this, and we've actually identified our zones where we are looking forward to take targets and to take profits. This was a change of character here for those that don't know. A change of character, simply a shift in order flow whereby we're going down and it's a now sign that we're not going up. This has to happen, which is an internal change of character. So there, it's our internal change of character, the internal change of character, just like this. After an internal change of character like that, market must give you a pullback before a continuation up. So if you put your Fibonacci from point A to point B at the top there, you realize that right now we're currently at 61.8 Fibonacci. So all we now need to do is to go to lower time frames and identify the zones or the demand zones that were not mitigated. In this case, in the daily, this one and this one, The market is currently at a very strong demand zone. There is no other zone that is below that zone. It's currently at a very strong demand zone. So that demand zone now, if you check, we pulled back now, and that's what I'm actually expecting. So first target is 0%, second target negative 27, third target negative 61.8, which is actually close also to this region here. So TP1, TP2, and TP3, those are my targets personally. So now, once we have identified our analysis on the daily like this, once we've done our analysis and everything on the daily, going down to lower time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, we're simply going down there to identify any confluence, any confluence, any confluence, any confluence, any confluence that we can get, any other confluence that we can get that is in sync with what we just saw on the daily. So this is our Fibonacci, point A to point B. And another thing that we need to master, and another thing that we need to do right now is to plot and identify our internal structure here. We need to identify which one is our higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, so that we have enough other extra confluence. For example, this is a high because it broke this, right? Then this one is a higher low because it broke that, right? This is a higher high because it broke that internal structure. So this is our higher low. If this is our higher low, we don't expect the market to break this level here. According to this formation, higher high, higher low, higher high, meaning it will simply come back to retest the zone before continuing up. So this can actually be an equal low like that. Once you now have an equal low like that, the market must push all the way 0%. That's our first target. So after we've done further analysis like this on the 4 hour, what we can do as well is to refine this demand zone. We can refine this demand zone to a 4 hour level. Which one is a 4 hour level or a 4 hour demand that we can? This is the demand zone here, 4 hour. This is the demand. All the other demands below here, they've been retested, they've been mitigated. No need for the market to come all the way down there. So this is my entry zone. This is my entry zone. Beautiful swing trade here. It's a beautiful swing trade that I'm actually seeing right now on Crash 300. So guys, if ever you want to be part of my team, part of my community, make sure that you join through the links that are in the description. There's a WhatsApp link, there's a Telegram link, there is a Discord link. There's also my WhatsApp number there in the description. If ever you want access to my mentorship class, if you want to be part of my mentorship program, you can also contact me directly via WhatsApp in the number that is there. If you also want VIP signals, if you want free signals, you can contact me as well through that WhatsApp number that is there in the description. So guys, this is what we teach. This is what we teach. Our students are very dangerous students that are making money for themselves, that are able to look at the market and see the market accurately with a bird's eye view of whatever is happening on the market. So this is what we're looking at. If you want to also add extra confluences, you can see this trend line here, this trend line break, retest, came back again for the retest. So here I'm actually expecting this is going to be a very beautiful trade, very beautiful trade. I'm also going to show you the results of this trade. If you ever want to see my results of this trade, join us in the WhatsApp group in the link in the description, and also the Telegram link that is in the description as well. Join me there and you'll see all the results of this trade that we're about to take now. So this is my 4 hour zone. Going down to 1 hour, I simply go down there to refine again, to refine that 4 hour zone that I'm currently looking at. So here, according to 1 hour, this is the demand here. That's the demand zone. And if you check above this demand, there are certain lows like this low, this low. So that one is actually a support zone, right? Support zone, and below it, it's a lot of liquidity. A lot of liquidity is simply lying below that support zone. Support zones are mostly used by retail traders who are not aware of institutional order flow, who are not aware of how institutions operate. They simply use support and resistance, and they're not aware of how real institutions move price. So here, this support level is going to be used by the institutions as a liquidity sweep level. They're going to sweep liquidity. Liquidity is simply money lying below here, which is the stop losses of retail traders, which is lying below this zone. So they'll sweep it. How are they going to sweep it? They'll come all the way, take out, come into this zone, then push all the way up, respect it going up. Then they go and they take price all the way up there. this move, how is it going to confuse retail traders? Because if ever this is their support, and once the support is broken, their stop loss are taken out, they will want to sell here. They will think that is a support break and retest, yet they're also going to be taken out as well. Then it goes up. So all that is simply to confuse retail traders that are not aware of institutional order flow, that are not aware of how institutions really think and how institutions move price. So this is the refined zone according to 1 hour. This is the refined zone according to 1 hour. Your first target is that swing higher high, which is here. That's your first target. Obviously, expect it to go beyond that, but that will be your first major target there. First major target for the buys that is going to be there. So this is actually a beautiful opportunity. All you just need now is patience. Patiently wait for price to tap into this zone. Once it taps into this zone, you'll see what is going to happen. You see what is going to happen. You are going to see what is going to happen once it taps into that zone. So once it taps into that zone, if you check even this impulse move, it started from this zone. Impulse move going up, came down, didn't reach, came down, didn't reach. Now it will tap into it. Once it taps into this, that's where we'll actually get an impulse move going all the way to the upside to the target that we are looking forward to there at the top. So guys, this is a powerful, beautiful opportunity that if ever you really harness if ever you really harness this opportunity, you can actually make quite good money from this one opportunity that we are currently looking at. So yeah, other confluences, you can see there's a trend line break and retest here, like this. Trend line break, break again, retest, retest. So this is actually a form of a double bottom, but this double bottom, they are going to take out liquidity or from here, take out liquidity. They can even close above here, then they continue going up like this. So that is it, guys. That is it. So this is the zone, this is the opportunity, this is the opportunity. My entry is going to be exactly here. That's where my entry is going to be. My stop loss just tight above the zone. Obviously, I give you room for the market to breathe. First target, that's 1:10. Second target, that's almost 1:17, if not 1:2. So, guys, this is a powerful opportunity. Powerful opportunity. The first target is here, which is a 1:10 there. 1:10. Risk compared to reward. So guys, beautiful opportunity. Those that know me, they know that I never miss when it comes to this analysis and this codes and everything. Join my team in the description through the links in the description, and you'll see what I'm telling you, that we never miss, whenever we say I only talk once, I only talk once. When I talk, 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 I only talk once. So that's the opportunity there that is there. That's the opportunity that is there. That's the opportunity that is there. That's the opportunity that is there. Make sure you don't miss the opportunity. Make sure you don't miss the opportunity. Make sure you don't miss the opportunity. Make sure you don't miss the opportunity, guys. Make sure you don't miss the opportunity. This is the opportunity. This is the opportunity at hand. So all you just need to do is to wait for the market to drop into that level. 30-minute, I believe it's also the same zone with 30-minute time frame. Personally, I enter on 30-minute time frame. That's my entry time frame. 30-minute time frame. That's my entry time frame. If you check, that's the also almost same zone, same demand. Yeah, it's same demand with 30-minute demand. So yeah, let me remove this. So that's the zone. That is the zone here. One crash and it will be in our zone. Wait for the candlestick rejection, then we start buying. Wait for the candlestick rejection, then we start buying. So other entries that you might want to enter, other entries that you might want to also add on this particular trade, right? Especially confirmed entries. Confirmed entries are entries that you, for example, this one will now be your lower high, right? Lower high. Once you have the lower high like this, all you just need to do, you can wait for it to tap here. You enter conservatively upon the rejection, conservatively with conservative risk. Then you wait for the internal change of character, pullback. Then that pullback can happen into any demand or any order block that will be there. Then it goes all the way up. these are conservative entries. So there are two types of entries here: conservative here and aggressive here. That's personally how I enter. Conservative entries and aggressive entries. That's how personally I enter. Once the confirmation, this internal change of character, it's simply a heads up or a confirmation to say we are now going up. We are now going up. Because if it doesn't happen, the market can still consolidate and play around in that zone up until it has this change of character. So this one must happen for us to fully be confirmed that we're now going up. This change of character must happen. So guys, this is the setup. This is the setup for crash 300. This one is our first target, that zone. 1:10 risk compared to reward. So yeah, beautiful opportunity. So if you want to be part of my team, join through the links in the description. If you want to talk to me directly, there's a WhatsApp number in the description. Talk to me directly as well. So guys, make sure you've liked the video, make sure you share the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, because these are powerful sessions that you don't want to miss out. These are powerful sessions that you don't want to miss out. Videos that actually educate you on things that are relevant on the market and information that is relevant on the current market conditions that are there. So if you check this one, why is this a confirmed? It's because also we have a trend line break and retest, which is also a change of character. And also, so you see now why this one is you can actually enter aggressively there. That's why you can actually enter aggressively outside there. Here, just put a conservative, then aggressively outside like that. So guys, I hope you understood my analysis, and make sure you are subscribed already. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. These sessions are powerful sessions that you can't afford to miss. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.